In today's video, we are going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Asana. If you wanted to automate tasks, speed up your workflow, and save hours every week, you are in the right place. Because pairing it with ChatGPT is a total game changer. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to connect ChatGPT and Asana. Number one option is you go to ChatGPT itself. From here, I want you to click your profile icon and hover to the settings. From here, go to the section that says Apps and Connectors. And from the Browse Apps, I want you to search for Asana. If you can find it, I want you to connect your Asana account, grant permission, and basically ChatGPT can pull data from Asana or send tasks directly into your workspace. Now, if in any case, Asana is not available in your account, that means you are using the free subscription. You might want to upgrade for that so you can unlock all the tools. But don't worry, because there is another option, which is going to be using Zapier. Now, I want you to log into your account, and then we need to create a workflow by clicking the Create button here in the top left corner. We're going to choose these apps because this will forward us to the builder. Now, from here, we need to create our first trigger. In the apps, we need to search for Asana, and then we need to choose the trigger event, which is going to be, say for example, unupdated tasks. It's going to be triggered when a task is updated in a project. Okay, you want to make sure that your account in Asana is connected, so it's going to be a breeze to connect them seamlessly. After that, we're going to click the continue. You can configure the settings. For example, you can choose the workspace, project, if you want it, and then the fields if you want to add more. So you can have more control over your automation, and click the continue button. The next thing is we're going to set the action. Okay. In the action, we're going to choose ChatGPT. Okay. And then we need to choose an event. For example, let's say we're gonna create an assistant. You want to make sure that you are signed in to your ChatGPT account. If you do, there's gonna be a pop-up window that will ask three important questions. Number one is gonna be the API key. The API key can be created if you click that link right here. You will be forwarded to the Open API platform. And as you can see, you have the secret key right here if you wanted. You want to make sure that you do not share this secret key, okay? If you wanted to create a new secret key, it's okay, because from here you can simply select the project. And if you do, it's going to be creating a new secret key. Copy that and very quickly switch to your Zapier, which is going to be this pop-up window, all right? The organization ID, it's up to you. It's optional, but if you wanted to put in that, you can do so. And of course, for the region, you can choose the global or US or Europe. But for now, we're going to choose the global and click the continue to ChatGPT OpenAI. Now, once everything is set, you might want to go to the test run to make sure that you can simply test the automation to see if that works. Okay, you can use the automations to keep your projects clean and let ChatGPT rewrite or optimize messy tasks. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.